Alright, so let's do a new video. It's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but in front of you today is a 2006 and up Impala instrument cluster, and I figured I will show you how to power it up. So far, all that I've ever had to do to these is redo the background or backlighting on them, but to power them up, I always use a connector for them that I get out of the junkyard. It just helps keep me from accidentally putting the wire in the wrong spot on here, because I got to deal with the guy at the junkyard here where I buy a lot of clusters from him, so he lets me cut out the connectors too when I do them. So that's what I end up using. I've seen a lot of guys that just put in individual wires to each pin, so whatever works for you works, but this is what I do. Is I use the stock connectors, but for the '06 and up Impalas, you need to do, for your positive side, you're going to use pin 8, pin 10, and pin 20 for your positive, and then pin 5 and 6 are going to be your ground, and then you'll also want to end up stripping pin 16. This pin 16 is your trip reset, and you just kind of tap it to ground like a momentary switch to utilize it, so that way it can turn on and off your trip and clear the errors. So let me go ahead and hook this up real quick so you can see it power up. So plug it into the back, turn on your power supply to anywhere between 12 and 14 volts, and ground, positive. This one takes a second to boot up, so let's let it boot. Alright, we got it booted up here, and the light's not blocking your view, so you can see it starts out with the washer fluid and service airbag. You just go ahead, tap your trip reset, and there you go, the odometer will show up, and this one's got 79,000 miles on it, and put some fresh background lights in there. So it uses an incandescent bulb in it, kind of like the GM trucks, so they just burn out and you got to replace them over time. But yeah, I haven't been uploading a lot of videos because I've actually been really busy doing a lot of these instrument clusters and collecting up some new gear. This is going to be my first video that I recorded using OBS, and then I got a new webcam mounted up there for you guys, so that way I get a nice overview instead of just using my cell phone to record it. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of these and been really busy lately, but hopefully I can figure out how to set up my new microscope with OBS, and I'll start uploading some more videos, maybe even start doing some live streams. So hit that subscribe and hit that like button if this was helpful. If not, we'll see you next time maybe.